This video shows how to configure PROFINET communication and set up the connection between the vision system and the PLC. With this connection established, the PLC can then control vision-based recognition and robot picking. In this setup, a Siemens S7-1200 PLC and a FANUC robot are used. Next, let's go through the communication configuration. The overall process includes hardware and software preparation, IPC configuration, communication startup, PLC project creation and configuration, and network connection testing. Then, proceed to the detailed operations. First is the preparation work. You can refer to our documentation to learn more requirement details about the versions and models. Then, check the hardware connections as shown. Ensure the IP addresses of these devices are on the same subnet, and that their IP addresses are not already in use by other devices. This is required for communication setup and program download later on. In addition, prepare the configuration files required for communication. The GSD device description file and PLC example programs are located in the installation directories of Mech-Vision and Mech-Viz. Copy these files to the computer with PCI-e portal installed for subsequent import and use. After these preparations, start configuring the IPC. Check the PCIe slot on the IPC. Make sure the Einpact PR Slave PCIe interface card is installed. On the IPC, right-click the Windows icon and select Device Manager. In the window, confirm that the driver software is installed. If not installed, please download and install it via the link provided in our documentation. Then, set up the robot communication configuration. Open Mech-Vision. Create a solution based on your application scenario. Click Robot Communication Configuration on the toolbar. In the Select Robot option, choose the robot based on the actual project requirements. Since a FANUC robot is used in this scenario, simply select Listed Robot here. If Custom Robot is selected, please further select the Robot Euler Angle Type and Robot Coordinate System subsequently. For details, please refer to the documentation. Click Select Robot Model and choose the specific robot model. Confirm that interface service type is set to standard interface, and protocol is PROFINET IRT. Recommend to select Auto Enable Interface Service when opening the solution. Click Apply. Make sure that the robot communication configuration switch on the toolbar is flipped and turned to blue. After this, create and configure the PLC project. To begin with, create the PLC project. Open PCI-e portal. Click Create New Project. Enter the project name. Select the save path as needed. Click Create. In the pop-up page, click Open the project view. In the project tree panel, double-click Add New Device. In the new window, click Controllers. Find the CPU module that you are using and select the corresponding device version. Click OK to confirm adding the device. On the Device View window, double-click the Ethernet icon in PLC1. In the Properties, General window, click Ethernet addresses to set the IP address of the PLC. Use the default value for subnet mask. Next, install and configure the GSD file. In the menu bar, select Options, Manage General Station Description Files, GSD. In the pop-up window, select Mech-Mind peer for PROFINET device name. Click the icon to the right of source path. Locate the path where the GSD file is stored, and select it. In Content of Imported Path, check this file. Click Install. After the installation completes, close the window. Return to device configuration. Navigate to Network View. On the Hardware Catalog panel, find the directory shown in the video. Then double-click DAP under it. Click the Ethernet icon in PLC1, and drag it to the Ethernet icon in Mech-Mind peer. Release the button when a black connection line appears. The effect shown in the video indicates a successful PROFINET network connection. Then, set the IP address of Mech-Mind peer. Click the Ethernet addresses window of the Ethernet icon for Mech-Mind peer. This IP address should be in the same subnet as that of the PLC. Make sure Generate PROFINET device name automatically is checked. Use the default values for other parameters. Then, click the green connection line. Click the Assign icon. In the pop-up window, select Mech-Mind peer for PROFINET device name. Keep the other settings at their default values. Click Update List. The searched devices will be displayed in the list. Make sure the PROFINET device name is Mech-Mind peer. Once status is OK, close the window. Double-click Mech-Mind peer to enter device view. All the available modules are listed. Subsequently, download the hardware configuration to PLC. In the Project Tree panel, right-click PLC1. Select Download to Device. Hardware Configuration. In the pop-up window, select Show All Compatible Devices for select target device. Then, click Start Search. Check the search devices to ensure their type and IP address match those of the PLC in use. Select the corresponding device. Click Load to download the project hardware configuration to the PLC. No errors are detected during the pre-download check, so the loading can proceed successfully. After completing the project hardware configuration download, test the network connection. Verify whether the PLC communicates successfully with the Vision system. In the Project Tree panel, click PLC1. Then, click Go Online on the toolbar. The entire project enters the online monitoring mode. On the Device View window, ensure that the device is selected as Mech-Mind peer. Check marks with a green background in front of module names indicate normal connection. At this point, return to the main window of Mech-Vision. When the console tab in the log window displays Connect to PROFINET IRT controller successfully, it indicates that communication between the PLC and the Vision system has been established successfully. Now, the communication configuration between the Vision system and the Siemens PLC has been completed. For instructions on importing Mech-Mind example programs into the Siemens PLC, and testing the acquisition of Vision results, after establishing communication, please watch the follow-up video, Install and Test Example Programs. You can refer to the documentation for more details on configuring the PLC's standard interface communication.